I'm changing my O2 sensor. This, but I can't take it out because everything right here is interfering. So I gotta remove this manifold or header, whatever you want to call it, and then bring this out, take it out, and then put it back. It's a mission, but I gotta do it. So after a couple hours of cutting myself and fucking being frustrated, I got it in. It actually looks better than before. And now I just gotta connect this to this. After everything's all tightened up, I still gotta tighten it up all the way, torque them down, and then I'll spark it up. See if it fucking runs right now. Just finished the oil change. This is how it sounds with no catalytic converter.